This user guide provides a step-by-step process for using the text-to-speech feature in the 11 Labs platform. Making adjustment is crucial in order to get high-quality and effective voice output that you can use in your projects. Click on Text-to-Speech in the left menu to start using the feature. Start typing here or paste any text you want to turn into lifelike speech. Click on the Voice option to choose a different voice for the text-to-speech conversion. Select a voice from the voice library by clicking on it. Listen to a preview of the selected voice by clicking the play button. Ensure the selected voice is checked to confirm your choice. Click the back arrow to return to the voice selection menu if needed. Click on Select a Model to choose the desired voice model for your text-to-speech conversion. Select the 11 Multilingual V2 model for a lifelike, emotionally rich voice in 29 languages. Use the slider to set the stability of the voice. More stable settings will result in a consistent voice output. Adjust the similarity slider to control how closely the generated voice matches the selected model. Modify the style exaggeration slider to enhance or reduce the expressiveness of the voice. Click Generate Speech to create the audio output from your text input. Listen to the generated speech by clicking the play button in the voice preview section. Click the download icon to save the generated audio file to your device.